Good morning, doctor. I've been feeling really overwhelmed lately, and I just can't seem to find any peace of mind.
Good morning. I'm here to help. Can you tell me a bit more about what's been going on? What's been bothering you?
Well, doctor, it's like this. I have a good job that pays well, and I'm always busy earning money. I have a great group of friends. I'm dating a wonderful girl, and we're always going to parties and having fun. On the surface, it looks like I'm living the dream life that any young man would want, but inside, I feel empty and restless.
It sounds like you have a lot going on in your life, but you're not finding the fulfillment you expected. Can you tell me more about the restlessness you're experiencing?
Yes, it's like I'm constantly on the move. But I can't find any peace. I'm always worrying about the next party, the next hangout with friends, or the next big paycheck. I never get a moment to just relax and be at ease.
I see. It sounds like you're caught in a cycle of busyness and external distractions. It's not uncommon for people to feel this way when they're constantly seeking external validation and excitement. Have you tried any relaxation techniques or mindfulness practices to find some peace?
Well, not really. I guess I've always been so focused on keeping up with my busy schedule that I haven't really thought about slowing down.
It's important to remember that balance is key to a fulfilling life. While it's great to have a social life and a successful career, finding inner peace is just as important. You might want to start by setting aside some time each day for yourself, away from work, friends, and parties.
That sounds like a good idea. But I'm not sure what I would do with that time. I'm not used to being alone with my thoughts.
That's understandable. It can be challenging at first, but spending time with yourself can be very rewarding. You could try simple activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even just going for a walk in nature. These can help you clear your mind and find some inner peace.
I've heard about meditation, but I've never tried it. How do I start?
Meditation is a simple practice that involves focusing your attention and eliminating the stream of thoughts that may be crowding your mind. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and then just focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable with it.
That sounds doable. I'll give it a try. But what about my constant need for external validation? How can I stop seeking approval from others all the time?
Seeking external validation is common, but it can be draining. It's essential to build self-confidence and self-worth from within. Start by setting personal goals and accomplishments that are meaningful to you, not just to impress others. Focus on your interests and passions, and pursue them for your own satisfaction, rather than for the approval of others.
That makes sense. I've been neglecting my own interests lately, trying to fit in with my friends and their interests.
It's natural to want to connect with others, but it's also crucial to maintain your individuality. Your friends and loved ones should appreciate you for who you are, not just for what you do to please them. It might be helpful to have an open and honest conversation with them about your feelings and your desire to find more balance in your life.
I'll try talking to them. It's just that I've always been the life of the party, and I'm afraid they won't understand this change in me.
Change can be challenging for both you and your friends, but it's essential for your well-being. True friends will understand and support your journey to find inner peace. Remember, it's okay to evolve and grow as a person.
Thank you, Doctor. I appreciate your advice. I'll start with meditation and work on finding the balance in my life.
You're welcome, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Take care, and I wish you all the best on your journey to inner peace.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.